Sit. High five. Good boy. All right, today we're gonna bring an enclosure for your dog. This is a 16-piece metal frame, nothing sharp around the edges. We're gonna put it together and see how it works. All right, check out the structure. It's large. This is perfect if you want to quarantine a certain area in your house. You want to keep your dog on one side of the part. This is perfect. He's already eyeing it. There's 2 doors. You can set them up any direction you want, either in the back and the front. I don't want him near the windows. We're replacing some windows. I don't want him near the pole. And this is perfect. We're going to isolate this. And of course, I'm going to come in here. Keep the doors open if you want. It's optional. You can lock them in easy. So we're going to step back a little bit. I like that it comes with a mat in case you wanted your dog to sit on it. You know, he likes the mats. Very simple. This place is huge. It is large enclosure for dogs could have fun here. Now, one thing I'm going to demonstrate to you guys is that this door, you can locate another door anywhere. And then we got Crypto here. Crypto likes. All right, very important. They give you these stakes that are part of each door that goes in here. Now you could actually ground these on any kind of ground, like grass or mud or dirt. Like right now, I don't even have a dirt area here. I'm actually demoing on the outside. And they give you an extra one, of course, you know, just in case you lose one. These are easy to take with you anywhere. Like I said, 2 doors. I like that option, 2 doors. This is a large enclosure here. And I like that there's no sharp edges at all. Nothing whatsoever. Very, very strong. And you'll see how strong it is that this guy will not come out. So he'll stay there for hours. Simple. He even can play with his ball inside with no problems. We'll catch it. Good boy. Give it to me. Sit. High five. Good boy.